This is a Pepakura Designer file. It turns 3D models into foldable papercraft. You don't need the paid designer software to print the templates, just use the free viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here's the download. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional PDO file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. The PDO file extension is associated with Pepakura Designer, a software application used to create 2D patterns from 3D models for papercraft. A PDO file contains the unfolded 3D model data, including the arrangement of faces, fold lines, and tabs, which are essential for assembling the paper model. It is primarily a viewer guide. PDO files store the geometric data of the 3D model along with instructions for cutting, folding, and gluing the paper pieces together. The format supports various customization options such as adjusting the size and position of the tabs, adding text labels, and changing the color of the lines. PDO files are typically created using Pepakura Designer and viewed with Pepakura Viewer. For full editing functionality, PDO requires Pepakura Viewer, which is supplied by Tama Software. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows lacks comprehensive 3D rendering features, so full file access depends on professional modeling software. Go to your file and right-click the PDO file, choosing Open With. If Pepakura Viewer is an option, select it immediately. If it's unavailable, choose another. We need to test the file against all compatible programs. When a PDO file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, use Pepakura Designer. If a papercraft model, open the file using Pepakura Designer, the required application for the 3D model folding pattern. Next, use PaintShop Pro. If a PaintShop Pro file, open the file using Coral PaintShop Pro, the required application for the image. Finally, export to PDF DXF. If a Pepakura file, use the software's export function to save the pattern as a PDF or DXF. If your system cannot parse your PDO structure, the issue is likely that the extension name is shared by a program you don't have. At this stage, manual testing is exhausted. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the PDO label is unclear or shared. Your one-click PDO fix is ready. Simply use FileMagick. It opens virtually any file instantly. FileMagick.com has the download. The next video will tackle an even trickier file. If you're happy with the result, hit the like and subscribe buttons quickly.